Hello traders, this is a new day. 2nd November has started, and yesterday we have explained how the Australian dollar and Swiss franc can run now, and it did. It made the whole 100% almost. It has taken the ground. We told very clearly if it breaks it off here, then it will go up to here, and it is done here up to here. Now what will happen today? Let us clear the screen a little so we can see what is going to happen now, so we can have a better perspective of our things and what may turn up in 2nd November. So let us remove one by one so we can understand, and it is achieved. So let us remove this one. I beg your pardon, this one too, because all these are dead. Now we have to look into the issue. We didn't remove this line because this is weekly half, so let's do some homework now. Let's remove these two. This doesn't have any implication right now anymore. So we can work out exactly what is going to happen. If you see it now that this shadow has reached to a new level, and this is creating a double top here, but let us say in the day first. In the day there is no double top. In week, if we go, week is not finished yet because this is the week. It has started right now, so until the week is finished we cannot declare here anything. I beg your pardon. For month, if we go, it is just retracing still now. This was the last month candle. Let me do some work here so it is very easy for you guys to visualize the thing. Let me take these things off. Okay. So here we can see very clearly that hold on please, let me get rid of this things now. I beg your pardon again. So last month this was the situation. It started, went up, then it came down to this position, and it created a weekly double bottom. Here it created a weekly double bottom, and this month, this the November 1st candle, I mean 1st of November, this candle has started and it has break out of the weekly half. So we can see now that if we have removed the weekly half from the top, so the weekly half should be supposed to be here. This one is the weekly half we had before. Let, if you guys want to see, I can visualize it again, no worry. Let me take these things off so you can understand. So in weekly we have a top here, something like this. So if we measure from here to here, it was the half here. For further clarity, let's put it in perspective. So we have this was the weekly top. So it went up, this lower was responsible for this top, and this top was responsible for this bottom. Now it has started upward, it crossed the half, So what is the best in week we can predict? So there is one thing we should, as you can see, it's a long journey, around 319 pips. So we divide the upper half into again, so where it can face the problem again in weekly problem it can be created here. So if we mark it like this, and let's put the legend a little bit different. So here, when the price will come, this is the 50% and this is 75%. So this is another mark it will try to reach. But before that, we can see there, as the week has not finished yet, we cannot declare anything, and we don't have a red candle yet. But we mark all the level of the week now. Same way we can mark something like this. The 25% of the week will be 50% of this. Let's mark it for future reference, so we don't get lost what is going on in the market and where the price can react based on a week. So let's go, as we don't have anything in week. Let's go today. In day now, we can see that the price has reached some places it is reacting to the price on the 2nd November, and this was our targeted area, as we told you before that. Let me take this off. And this one, we can say it formed a, let's remove this too. Okay. Now in day, we don't have any double top yet. Can you see, guys? We don't have any double top here yet, but I expect that why it is reacting here, why it is going negative, why in 4 hours it didn't complete the journey, the previous journey it has completed, but why it is reacting here. So you guys can see, right? Here it is reacting from here, this place, this red one, it is reacting. So this is another zone for 4 hours. 4 hours, so the double top may form, but in day, can we see anything? No, it is in the body of the candle. So there is nothing here. Let's go to 4 hours in day, and why it is reacting, we don't know. But considering, if we put it on day, we have a very big possibility that the day double top may form here. May form. I'm not sure yet. May form here. There is a possibility that the price will come up, touch this, then it will go red. But it is it is just 15 minutes of 2nd November has started, so it has just reacting from here. But I think it will reach here one way or the other. It will complete our journey up to this position, and once it is done in day, then we may have a possible double top in day. Let's see if we have the text here. Okay, right. Possible daily double top. So this is one place where we should be careful and expect the price to come here. So guys who are not still close the trade or taken profit and close the trade, no worry, nothing to worry. We are expecting this thing here, something like this. There is one, two, three, four, 6 candles are here. So what are the options we have? One option, plain and simple, that the journey from here to here, if we measure, so let us take these things out from the day and hourly frame for the time being. Okay, so let's leave this 50% of the weekly. This is a remarkable place where we see a lot of activity and price rejection from here going down there yesterday. I mean day before yesterday it happened. So let's remain this and also take it out from the daily and hourly time frame. So chart looks a little bit clear. Now, what are the possible scenario? If the daily is formed, possible daily top is formed from here, then what will happen? There is two things it can happen. Either it will respect it, I am putting from this candle, or let's put it from this candle. Let me enlarge a little so we can do things more easily. This will respect these candles. It will go here, maybe come back, and it will retest. Then it will come back here, it will retest, and then it will go up to, I think to the best of my assumption, here it will react. So this is one aspect we can look forward. So whenever I say that it will go here and come back and retest, it means it will go with a green candle, come back with a red candle, then it will try to go up again with a green candle, and if it fails this zone, that green candle fails to go up, break this one, put its body up of this the top, I mean this layer, this line, if it break this line, then it will go upward. It will go upward. Simple and easy. It will go upward. And day we can see that it has formed as the double bottom in the week, as well as we are in daytime frame, we can see that it has also at the same time here, if we mark it clearly, it has formed double bottom in week days also. So here is the thing we should work on. So considering these two factors, once it goes there, comes down, retest, and if it retest, and if it fails, it has to come down here, and again it will retest here, come here, try to break it down, or maybe from here it will go up. There is a chance that it may go up from here if the retest fails. And if this retest fails, it will not do any retest, it will do retest here. Let me draw it properly. If here the retest fails, then next time it will not retest, it will go up, then come, then it will go up. So this is one option we have. at the moment, because I don't see any reason to form a double top here. Maybe in lower time frame we can see. Let's go to 1 hour. Why it is forming here something like this? So we can see something is working here from here. And how strong it is, let us visualize. Yes, this green candle is doing nothing. If we enlarge it, if we, I told and mentioned in several occasions very clearly that any opposite candle in a train, this is a down train and it is an opposite candle of the train, is very powerful, very strong, because what these guys did for the last 3 hours, the market was bearish and it stopped the trend. So there is a huge power in this candle, which is now, if we draw it now, this is the reason the price is now reacting. Can you see, guys? This is the thing, the price is reacting. This is the reason the price is reacting here so much. But I don't know, maybe it is possible. It is possible that the price will make a double top here. It is also possible. There is nothing rigid that no, it is not possible. Yes, it is possible, as it is a single candle. So let's go to 4 hours so we understand things. So you see now in 4 hours, in 4 hours we don't see that candle. But in 1 hour, that single green candle was resisting this big candle here somewhere, and that is the reason it is now the price has been rejected from here. Right now, it has been rejected and it is showing some. So showing some red candle on 2nd November. So maybe this one, this can become a possible double top. Actually, until we see a full formation of a red candle here, we cannot confirm it is a double top still now. So considering the fact that there is a possible double top here too. There is a possible double top here. This is possible daily, and this is a possible double top in 1 hour, not even 4 hours. It is in 1 hour. But we have to take under consideration that there is a huge something here. We stopped the price here, and the reason was in 1 hour that simple small candle, this green candle has stopped it. So always when we work out, we try to find out all the single candles from where the price can react. So this is the situation in 1 hour, but let's go to daily now. Yes, so where we are, we were here. This is our possible double top in days here. If the price comes here, let me put it in a bigger way so you guys can see it clearly. This is a possible double top. If the price comes here, push down, retest, fail, it will come here. Then it will go up, and again, if it fails the retest, I mean, there is a red candle, then there is a green candle, and the red candle fails to go down, then it will go up like this. And here it will not retest because this zone has retested once already. So it will go up, retest, and if this retest pass, it will go on the upside. On the downside, if this retest fails, then it will come down like this. I think up to this position it will come down. If we say something like this, in daytime frame, it may come down up to this position. I have to work out why. I will tell you why it can come down here. So now if we measure the double top and double bottom, once it is done, if it sets the journey up to here, then what will happen? The thing will happen that if price comes here for any good reason, then it will go up by this margin up from this top. You see the 50% match with the weekly top here. This is the 50% of the target. And at the same time, if it comes down and break the lower part of this daily barrier, if it comes down and bring the lower part of this daily barrier, it will come like this. But the downside is up to this place, I agree, not to this place, because you can see that it has broken here the daily first barrier it has broken, the second barrier it has broken, I mean the first change of character is made, and break of structure will be actually here. If we see properly, the break of structure will be here, and if it can break the structure here, it will go up like this. We have to bring it a little bit more like this, something like this. So this is one scenario that we have to keep in mind. This is green. Second scenario, and at least it will come, if it breaks this barrier, it will go here. No worry, it will go here. And if it breaks this barrier, this line, if it breaks down, it will come here. And why it will come here? Let us see. It is daily. So if we go to 4 hours, can you guys see there is a red and green candle, so this is a very good resistance, and there is another resistance is here and another resistance is here. So if there are 3 zones here from where the price can react. These are the 3 zones from where the price can react. This should be in different color, as it is we are talking about the lower side. So it can react from here to, it can react from this is the lowest it can go, this area. So if we go today, we can visualize it more clearly. So initially it can react here, or maybe it can break it and it will come here and react, or if not, then it will react from here undoubtedly. No worry, it will react from here. Then the price will go up, and after coming here only, then we can say how far it will go. So this is one option. Second option, if it breaks this one and this one, then what will happen? Then what will happen here is this, that where is our, this is the thing. So it will go from here to here, come down this place, not more than that, and then it will retest. I beg your pardon, I did it wrong way around. Control set. What it will do, it will go from here to here, then it will retest, and if the retest passes, does not fail, then it will come here. So these are the one, this is one scenario, this is second scenario, and this is the third scenario. These are the possible 3 scenarios we have at the moment. And one more thing I would like to tell you guys that we don't, what are the data we need to face? We have a data today at the forecast of balance of trade. It will have an impact here, of course. Again, we have a data on 7th November. That is long away right now, beginning of the next week. And it is very vital. RBI interest rate decision, Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision, of course, it will have a greater implication on here. If the interest rate goes up, it goes up. If that interest rate is reduced, it will come down. But so far, to my best of my understanding, interest rate will not be changed. It will remain same. So far, I can understand. And this one again, 15th Westpac consumer, these are far away, another week, so no need to worry for this. But next week we need to do some workout here. So guys, that's it for today. Happy trading. And I have to mention the disclaimer: if you take any trade, any profit or loss you do, it's up to you. We don't want any share of your loss as well as profit. Have a nice day.